Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are going to test out another product that I got from eBay. So guys, these are called eyebrow stencils. So some of you may have already heard about it. Shopee sell them in the Philippines, eBay where I got them, Amazon also have it, Elf also have it, and Anastasia Beverly also have it. But I think the cheapest so far that I saw was eBay because it only cost $3 for three, and it was also free shipping. Amazon, they do charge shipping unless if you're a member. So anyway, I just decided that I might go with the cheapest and then see if they do work. So guys, these are how my eyebrows look like usually without any product on. So just letting you know guys that my eyebrows are microbladed. That's why you can still see like the tint there. Yes, so that's how it looks like after a few months of microblading. Yes, so we'll try to change the shape or enhance it using the stencils. So I will choose this one with this arc there. So I'll try that one and then see what happens. So from the instructions, you can use like any angled eyebrow brush like this one, and then an eyebrow product. So I'll be using this eyebrow pomade from Maybelline, but as I think you can also use something similar to this one, like the pencil, if you don't have the brush. So it's up to you. I think you can use either or. So let's try it. So it got like this line here, so I think this one serves as a guide, so it should be within, like in line with your nose bridge, your nasal, like this one. So I'll just put it there, so it should be straight like that. Yeah, and then we'll just adjust the side according to the shape of our eyebrows. So we'll just follow closest to the shape of our own brows. Okay, so I think, yeah, that should be fine. So if you notice, this should be straight, the line should be straight to make sure that the shape is aligned. Okay, so we'll just apply some product. Just fix it up a bit. Alright, and then we'll just do some light strokes because we don't want it too dark. So we'll just use some light strokes. Follow the pattern. And then I'll just put a line here below, because I don't want to put too much product here on the front, otherwise it will look dark and it won't look natural. So I'll just put a line there and also a line on the top, and then we can polish later. Alright, so I think we're done. And then moment of truth. Okay. Alright, so it's almost similar with the shape of our, sorry, my nose just got itchy. So it's actually very similar to the shape of our own eyebrows. So yeah, there you go. And then we will just polish it. So let's just polish it. So for me guys, it's just my habit when I am when I'm doing my eyebrows. I usually just stretch it like that. I just feel like it will create that straight line better. Just put it right there. Yeah, so it did enhance our eyebrows, the shape of it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so for the other side, guys, let's try the other shape. So different shape and another shape. So I just want to try how it looks like. So let's try it. So again, straight line. So this should be straight with your nose bridge. So it should be in line. And then again, we'll adjust it according to the shape of our eyebrows. Yeah, I think that's okay. And then we'll apply some product. So just remember, guys, when applying the eyebrow product, do not put too much because otherwise it will be too thick. And also remember that it should be lightest here at the front and then darkest at the edge. So it just creates that more natural effect. So we'll start from the edge first. Let's just use some light strokes as we are going through the front. So remember not to put too much product, because anyway you can just polish it afterwards. So we'll put the remaining product on the front. So I'll just put like a line here just to create how to put up a guide or a pattern. Alright, I think we're done and let's just check. Okay. Alright, so this one, so this one is a bit thicker. So if you want like a thicker looking brows, so you can use this pattern. So I'll just tidy it up. So you see, guys, so it should be lighter on this this side. So I'll just polish it up a bit. Just use some light strokes just to fill in the gaps. Okay. Alright, so there you go, guys. So that's this shape, and then the other side is this shape. Okay, but I don't see any much, like, it looks similar, but this one is a bit thicker though. So we are done, guys, and even though if we use a different shape on this side and another on this side, it doesn't or it's not noticeable because I think it looks very similar anyway, so I'll just leave it as is. Yes, so guys, you can try these three shapes and decide on what suits your face better, or also you can, depends on your mood, if you want a thicker brows today and then with the arc tomorrow, then why not? So would I recommend this product? Yes, I recommend this product for girls who find it difficult or who find it hard to shape or to do their eyebrows or to apply eyebrow products on their eyebrows. It just makes it easier and it helps you achieve those eyebrows that you want without spending a lot of time. But of course, with everything, practice may be needed. The more you do it, the more you will become better at it. So just make sure that you follow the tips, like for example, making sure that this line is straight and it is aligned with your nasal bridge, like this one. And also that you follow where the hair, the brow hairs are going. So like that, because otherwise, if you go like this one, like on top, you might create another how do you call that one, another tail. So you will have two brow tails and it won't look good. Yes, so anyway, if you don't get it the first time, just do it again. You know, as they say, practice makes perfect. So you will get there, don't worry. So anyway guys, so go ahead, try this product, and I hope it will work for you as it did for me. If you do try it, please let me know in the comments below. That would be greatly appreciated. So until then guys, I'll see you on my next vlog, and always take care and God bless. So just a tip guys, to make your eyebrows look more defined and to make it like, you know, lifted, you can use a highlighter or a concealer. So usually I use a highlighter, but this time I have these Brow Precise from Maybelline. So it's like highlighter for the eyebrows. So it just helps create that lifted effect, and then it also makes the brows more defined. So just, you know, just apply it here at the edge. There. So it just makes the, you know, this side more lifted and it pops out better. So if you don't have like, or if you don't want to try this one, you can just use a highlighter and it works just the same. There you go.
So you live in the dream, you should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break,